Welcome to the course of Lead Generation Mastery. You've made a wise decision to join this course, Lead Generation Mastery. Let's explore all the techniques on how to increase your mailing list and how to make profits from the mailing list you build up. Here is the overview of Lead Generation Mastery. First of all, what is a lead? You might have heard about this before from internet marketers, but do you understand what it is and how it can be a benefit to you? A lead is a person who signs up to your site or newsletters who is interested in your offer. As you get more leads, this will grow into a list of email addresses, which you can then send the newsletter or sales letters to promote your upcoming events or products to your subscribers. I will discuss about this in detail in latter modules. A lead is very important to an online marketer who wants to promote a new product. It helps to pre-sell the product to the subscribers. It is a way to connect with the targeted audience who would want to know more about your products. By sending them the pre-sale content, they would stay informed on your products and offers that might interest them, which eventually leads to a purchase. Besides, a lead is a very useful and powerful tool an online marketer must have when it comes to affiliate marketing. Again, I will discuss about affiliate marketing in detail in the latter modules. I am pretty sure that you are wondering what affiliate marketing is, especially if you want to start an online business. A high number of leads would result in a higher chance of conversion from prospects to buyers. Therefore, it is a vital part of internet marketing. In this course, I will teach you how to build your leads step by step, starting from how to create a bribe offer to attract subscribers to your landing page. Next, we'll go on to creating a high-converting landing page, or squeeze page for the subscribers to opt in. Once you have built your list, you need to know how to write follow-up emails and keep track of your subscribers. A small list might not be enough to earn a huge profit. In order to increase your list, you can buy email solo ads from the other marketers. This will be your stepping stone to ad swaps. Another surefire way to generate your leads are from Facebook, the world's largest social network platform. Once you have gathered and increased the size of your list, you can now do ad swaps with other marketers. Then we'll talk more about using Google AdWords to generate leads. Have you noticed there are some blog sites with a small logo with the word ad beside the links? That's AdWords. Right after that, in the next module, we'll talk about 100% commission offers. This is one of the fastest ways to generate a huge mailing list, by giving out a 100% commission offer to your affiliates. I will show you how to add your offer on other people's thank you page as well. This way, you will gain exposure and increase your credibility among other marketers. Once you've gained the exposure, the next step is to join giveaway events. Usually, you need to have at least 1,000 subscribers before you can participate. The traffic generation strategies will help you get to your first 1,000 subscribers soon enough. And then you can begin to learn the art of search engine optimization, or SEO, to get more traffic to your site. This is a term you often hear from other online marketers, and I will show you what SEO is in this module. There will be 3 bonus modules in this course to enhance your skills in building your lead. The 3 bonuses will focus more on how to make a profit by using the mailing list you've built through all the techniques. We'll talk about how to optimize your lead generation, how to monetize your mailing list, and lastly, how to write profit-pulling emails. Are you ready to dive in? You can print the checklist and mind map provided to keep track of your progress with me. I will see you in the next module.